Hi guys, hope you guys seen my last videos on PostgreSQL about creation and deletion of database and table, and also the manipulation of record in the table using PSQL queries. Hope you all liked. So with that basic manipulation queries, let's create a simple derived project called contact book using Python. For this video, I'll be using Python version 2.7.15. So with that said, let's get into the derived projects. So for this contact book project, we are going to create a new DB called contact DB. So once the DB is created, we are going to create the table called contacts with the columns contact ID, first name, last name and phone number. Sorry, forgot to connect the database. So once connected, we can create a table. Table has been created. Let's give the privileges. Yeah, so now our DB and a table has been created. Let's open a DB viewer to connect our database and view our DB and a table. Click New Connection. Select PostgreSQL database. Click Next. Enter your DB name. Enter the user for the DB. Enter the password for the DB. Click Test Connection. Once the connection is success, click Finish. Now our DB will be listed on the left side. Click on our DB. Then schemas, public and tables. The table which we created will be listed. Since all the base setup has been done, let's proceed with creating a project using Python. To create a project using Python, you need to install Python to your working system. Now let's assume you have installed it. Create a folder called contact book and navigate inside the folder. To make our Python project and DB connect, we need a library called scikok2, which will be used to connect Python and PostgreSQL. So let's create an environment to run a project. Environment is like a place where we can install our project dependencies. To create an environment, we can use virtual n environmental name. So this will install our environmental folders and scripts. So now to activate the environment, we need to navigate inside the environment scripts and you need to activate the environment. Once you have activated, the terminal will notify you that the environment is activated. Now let's install our project dependency scikok2. Our project dependencies has been installed. To check what are the dependencies that have been installed in this environment, we can use pip freeze. The only dependency that we have been used is scikok2. So let's take a backup of this requirement. So once you have taken the backup, there will be a file created here. Now let's see the files which I have already created for this project. The source code for this project is already shared in the description. Two main files for this project are db.py and contact.py. If you see db.py, I have imported the Cypcop library and I have given the credential for the database. This function will connect the database to our Python project. Another important file is contact.py. This is the file where our functionalities to manipulate the table record lies. Let's see the Crud function. Create option. This is the option which we will be using to create a record or insert a record inside the contacts table. Update option. This is the function which we use to update a record. List option. This is the option where we can see the list of records. Delete option. This is the function where we can delete the record from a table. At last, exit option to exit the application. So this will be the final output of our contact book project. Now let's create a record. Contact has been created successfully. Let's create another record. Now two contacts have been created successfully. Let's see this in a DB viewer. Two contacts has been created. Now let's update a contact. To update a contact, we are going to use a contact ID, which is an automated sequence number. Contact has been updated successfully. Now let's list the records. Records has been listed. Now at last, to delete a record. Oh, sorry. Contact has been deleted. Exiting the application. I hope you all liked this video. In next video, let's see how we can create a web app using these basics.